Using appointments in EQUINET step-by-step tutorial. EQUINET provides the option to create appointments and easily send invites and reminders to contacts via SMS or email. If you work in an EQUINET team, you can schedule appointments for all team members. Get a complete overview of your and your team's schedules with the calendar view. In this video, we will talk about 2 types of appointments. Creating a new appointment. Service appointments are for scheduling Farrier services, such as regular shoeing, horse assessments, trims, and other procedures. Standard appointments are for personal use or team meetings. To make a new appointment, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the plus button from the dashboard. Step 2. Click on Appointment. Step 3. Choose between service or standard appointment from the top left bar. Step 4. Fill in all necessary details, including date, time, and location. Step 5. Set up a reminder for yourself and choose reminder options for your contacts. Step 6. It is recommended to choose to send an invite to your contacts via SMS or email if their contact information is provided. Step 7. Click Save to schedule the appointment. It's that simple. Your contacts will receive an invite with all the details and reminders before the appointment if you have chosen to. If you make any changes to the appointment, they will also receive updates. You can also get a complete overview of your calendar under Schedule. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create and send appointments on EQUINET. Thank you for watching. And remember, we are always just a call or message away.